Check out the new Invicta watch that's just $99.99. You won't find a stylish watch at this price anywhere else. It's made with Japanese quartz for precision and durability. Don't miss out on this deal. Click the yellow card below to order now. Check out this stylish watch I found from Invicta. The black band and deployant clasp make it super easy to put on, and the Japanese quartz movement is reliable and accurate. It's also water resistant, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet. You can get it for your guy at an affordable price of $99.99. Latest style in men's watches, the Invicta Pro Diver. With its sleek black and white design, the Pro Diver is the perfect accessory for any occasion. Powered by Japanese quartz for precision and style, this is a watch that always looks great and gets you noticed. The Pro Diver is available now at just $99.99, but only for a limited time.
I put the latest smartwatch for women to the test. Can it really keep up with my busy lifestyle while looking fabulous? In this video, we're diving into the world of smartwatches, specifically focusing on the best options available for women, featuring a full-touch HD screen and Alexa integration. Many women struggle to find a smartwatch that combines functionality, style, and convenience. I've been there too, scrolling through countless reviews and product pages, only to end up more confused than when I started. The problem is, most smartwatches are designed with a one-size-fits-all approach, neglecting the unique needs and preferences of women. From fitness tracking to notification management, it's essential to find a watch that complements our lifestyle, rather than hindering it. As someone who's obsessed with staying organized and on top of my schedule, I need a smartwatch that can keep up with my fast-paced routine. So, what are the must-haves for a smartwatch designed specifically for women? If you're like me, you're probably tired of sacrificing style for functionality. A smartwatch should be an accessory that complements your outfit, not clashes with it. That's why I've been on the hunt for a watch that not only looks stunning, but also packs a punch when it comes to features. After researching and testing countless options, I'm excited to share my findings with you. From sleek designs to innovative health tracking capabilities, I'll cover it all. We'll explore the key features of the top smartwatch for women, including its stunning display, health tracking capabilities, and seamless Alexa integration to make your life easier. The display is truly where this watch shines, a vibrant, full-touch HD screen that's perfect for checking notifications, tracking your fitness goals, or even controlling your music playlists. But what really sets this watch apart is its focus on women's health. From menstrual tracking to guided breathing exercises, this watch is designed to support your unique health needs. One of the standout features for me is the built-in GPS, allowing me to track my runs, hikes, or even just my daily commute without needing to carry my phone. And with Alexa integration, I can control my smart home devices, set reminders, or even order groceries, all from the convenience of my wrist. Whether I'm hitting the trails or running errands, this watch has quickly become an indispensable accessory. The moment you realize how this smartwatch can revolutionize your daily routine, from managing notifications to tracking fitness goals effortlessly. Take, for instance, receiving notifications, a crucial feature for anyone who's constantly on the go. This watch allows me to receive alerts, respond to messages, and even take calls, all without needing to reach for my phone. And with customizable watch faces, I can personalize my experience to fit my unique style. I've worn this watch for weeks now, and I'm blown away by how seamlessly it integrates into my daily routine. Whether I'm heading to the gym or meeting with friends, this watch has become an essential part of my outfit. And the best part? It's not just a pretty face. The features and functionality are genuinely impressive. From sleep tracking to stress monitoring, this watch is designed to support my overall well-being. As I delve deeper into the world of smartwatches, I'm constantly impressed by the level of innovation and design that's gone into creating the perfect accessory for women. This watch has truly exceeded my expectations, and I'm excited to share my experience with you. To wrap up, we've highlighted the essential features that make this smartwatch stand out as the best choice for women today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to